Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Batra and this is your favorite show, Daily Calls, a show that answers your specific questions on this program. Over the next 45 minutes, we're going to be getting the top market experts to guide you through all your stock queries. So in case you're here for the first time, the WhatsApp number is on your screen. Send me your questions here. Don't forget to mention your own name, location and your contact details. We can also give you an opportunity to speak live to our top guests and take a custom-made advice. Now you can also log on to our YouTube channel Business Today, and in case you're joining us there, then you should definitely log on to the Daily Calls live and go to the comments section and then send me your questions. I'll be happy to address that with our top guests of the day as well. But quickly, let's look at how the markets are trading at this point in time. While of course it's not a very good day for the markets, on the bulls at least, 140 points of a dip is what you're looking at as far as the Nifty is concerned. We've slipped to the low point of the day, 0.5% gone after a lot of choppiness that we've seen up until the first half of the trading session. Let's also look at the Nifty Bank. That's where some respite was seen, at least in the first half of the trading session. That space was still up and about, be it the private banks, the PSU banks or the financial services. They were supporting the index, but that also has now come under pressure, and you can clearly see 0.09% of a fall coming in as far as the Nifty Bank is concerned, and the banks are also down in trade. Let's also look at some of the other sectors. The key point that we need to mark out is how the IT stocks are trading in session today. The IT stocks have really tumbled and now trading below 5% in case the index level is concerned. Most of the stocks are down. All of this started with the global impact on AI fears leading to stocks listed on the Nasdaq on the Wall Street taking a beating. A lot of Indian companies, ADR stocks also took a beating, and therefore you do see that sharp drop across the board on the IT stocks today, and that is what is really leading to this sharp fall. But let's welcome our guest on board. Kiran Jani, Head of Technical Research, Jainam Broking, is now with us to share with us a view on the markets as well as to answer your questions. Kiran, good afternoon to you. Welcome. After a long time we are connecting. Do help us understand what exactly is happening when it comes to the markets. 25,850 has also been broken on the lower side. What do you anticipate going forward? Are you on mute by any chance? I couldn't hear you at all, Kiran.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I was on mute. Perfect.
Tell me.
So, good afternoon. Yes, it's been a long time. We are connecting. I hope you are doing well. Now, coming to the market, since after the budget session, and then we have also seen Trump tariff news, and then the RBI policy. Three major events has been happened, and we have seen a large volatility on both the indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Coming to the level wise, directly, 25,800, 25,700 were important support. After breaking down of that support, we have seen market retested 24,900 twicely, and on the budget day, we even see that market has broken down that immediate support of 24,900 and tested 24,600. From now market is again tried to sustain about 25,700, 800. During this rally, we have seen Bank Nifty, or you can say banking stock, finance stock outperformed. But however, IT and heavyweight shares like HDFC or Reliance is not performing, even Pharma is not performing, FMCG is not performing. So now again, the market is feeling very heaviness at this current level. So we are advising our client and associate that little bit cautious. Keep long your position. We are not recommending to go short, definitely, but for the long side position, we are recommending them, or we are stating them to keep a strict stop loss somewhere around 25,700, because if market breaking that 25,700, then we can expect market again to test 24,400 to 24,300 range. So as of now, this dip can be the accumulation, can be used as an accumulation zone, but with the strict stop loss of 25,700. Coming to the Bank Nifty, as of now on daily price and it's look very positive, but on intraday point of view, the charts look very much heavy. There is a rising wedge pattern is going on. If price is breaching 60,500 level, then we will consider the breakdown from the rising wedge, which can lead market to at lower level somewhere around 59,500. So as of now, for the Bank Nifty, it's a very crucial level, 60,500. If 60,500 breaks, then we recommending short also on Bank Nifty for the target of 59,000. 500. So for Nifty, keep your long stop loss 25,700. For Bank Nifty 60,500, and for Bank Nifty you can even go short below 60,500.
Fair point. Kiran, let's start taking some questions that are flowing in. I have a lot of our viewers who are joining in early on our YouTube channel right at the beginning of the show. We have Tekpal Bhatia, Srini joining in, Sai Verma is with us, Mohit is with us, Kamlesh, Rishikesh, Suresh. Welcome to everybody who's joining in early. We also have a lot of viewers on our WhatsApp as well. Let's first take this question from Rahul Yadav from Indore in Madhya Pradesh. He says, Action Construction Equipment पर अभी क्या fresh entry करनी चाहिए या नहीं?
See, Axiom Constructions, if we look at the overall daily price side, the stock price is looking very much into the consolidation zone. We have also seen there is a fresh breakdown. Sorry, earlier there was a breakdown and now there is a fresh breakout from the daily price side. There is a clear-cut rounding bottom pattern is there. Earlier there was a support of 900. After reaching 900, we have seen prices touch 770 level. Now stock prices is able to sustain about 900 price. So definitely one can go long at current market price. Keep a strict stop loss below somewhere around 880, 870. If prices is not breaching that level, then definitely we can expect 1000 plus level on Axiom Construction. So anyone is holding, keep hold. A fresh buying can also looks very good at current market price with a strict stop loss of 880.
Okay, next we have this query from Mohit from Ludhiana. He says, Sir, I have 300 shares of Campus Activewear at 284. My time horizon is 2 years. Can you please guide him now, Kiran, on Campus Activewear?
So Campus at our place also we recommended because on daily price side, if you see, there is a big bullish pattern breakout we are seeing. Stock price is trading above its important moving average like 50, 200 and 100. Also on the momentum indicator trading into the bullish zone with volume, the breakout has been happened of falling channel. So definitely one can go long on Campus Activewear at current market price, or if you are holding this particular stock, definitely you should hold with the strict stop loss of 260. If prices is not reaching below 260, then definitely we can expect price target of 300 sooner. So Campus Activewear, definitely one can go long at current market price freshly. Old people also can hold with the strict stop loss of 260.
Okay, let's take the next query. This one is from our YouTube viewer. This is Tekpal Bhatia asking you, Kiran, to explain to him the current scenario on RHI Magnesita. What exactly is the technical chart really suggesting to us here?
The RHI Magnesita has given a fantastic price return previously. We have seen in 2021-22 prices started from 180, 150 level odds to 900 level. After that, RHI has seen started trading into the falling channel only. Now stock price is trading nearby its all important moving averages. There is a only silver lining in this falling channel is that the stock price is not able to go below 400, which is a very good point for the long holding or investor. So one can go long with the strict stop loss of 400. We can see multiple bullish divergence and multiple support near 400 only. So buy on dips would be the strategy for RSH and keep a strict stop loss of 400. If RHI is not breaking 400 level, then you can definitely expect price target of 520, 540 in shorter time.
Okay, let's take the next one then. We have this query coming in from Shrikant from Bangalore. He says, Hi Sakshi, good afternoon. Good afternoon to you, Shrikant, as well. He says, I have 500 shares of Canara Bank and also 100 shares of ICICI Bank. Can you please tell me if up till 6 months I should continue to hold on and what could be the targets that I can expect? So one from the private banks, ICICI Bank, of course, the leading space there. 1396 is his purchase price already on this one. What's the outlook for the next 6 months? And Canara Bank he bought at 88.
So coming to the Canara Bank first. So Nifty PSU outperformed overall banking sector. Coming to the Canara Bank particularly, stock price was facing a resistance of 120, 125. There is a big cup and handle pattern breakout over there. After that, the straightforward stock price has made a high of 160. From now, the stock price has started consolidating in range of 140 to 160. But again, there is some negativeness we are seeing or observing on the daily price side. That is, stock price is trading below 20 and 50 days moving average, which is little bit difficult. And prices is not able to hold those moving averages. Okay. Now, long-term moving averages like 100 and 200 is way below. The stop loss or the risk reward ratio is not favorable. So as of now, we are suggesting them to keep a strict stop loss below 138, which is a budget day low only. So keep a strict stop loss of 138. If price is going below 138, you should book profit and and be aside from the Canara Bank and wait for fresh opportunity in Canara Bank. So as of now, no fresh buying is available. Keep a 138 as a stop loss for your investment.
Okay.
ICICI Bank, definitely you can continue with this investment, number one. Number two, the viewers who are watching us, they can also buy ICICI Bank at current market price. No, number one, stock price is sustained above its all important moving average is number one. Number two, after the July 2025 stock price was into the consolidation zone, and from that we can see the stock price is coming out from that consolidation, rectangle pattern consolidation, falling wedge consolidation pattern breakout. Momentum indicator is again getting back into the bullish zone. So multiple bullishness we can observe or we can see on ICICI Bank chart. So one can go long at current market price. Any dips toward 1400 would be the accumulation zone only. Keep a strict below stop loss below 1390. If prices is not breaking below 1390, then definitely we can expect prices to touch somewhere around 1500.
Fair point. Taking the next query, then we have this one from our YouTube viewer Srini, wants to know about MTAR Tech. Says that there is no dip right now, but can I still continue to enter? And I want to hold for 1 year. What should I be doing here?
Sorry, which stock you're
MTAR
discussing?
Tech, MTAR Tech. Currently up by 2.3%, 36 is the current level.
So entire tech overall, we can see where the technology or IT shares are not doing good. The entire technology doing very good. Stock price was into the consolidation zone, and it gave a breakout from 2700. After that, now stock price is trading 2600. So in within short time, stock price already give a rally of 20% kind of, and the momentum indicator is into the overbought zone. So fresh buying at current market price, we suggest wait for some dip. Definitely you will get dip because the volatility is so high in the market. Wicks are already above 15 also. So it is not like that you will not get any such kind of a dip. Recently also we have seen from 3400 to 3200 or maybe 3100 kind of a dip. The same way you can again expect prices to retest 3400 or maybe 3300 kind of a level where you can accumulate, keep a strict stop loss of 3200 and then long. So at current market price, we are not recommending the accumulation zone somewhere around 33 to 3400. So in that zone, you can go long on MTAR.
Right. Okay. We have another question from Sai Verma who wants to know about the defense stock BEL and wants to know at this price can he continue to add. This one also wants to know a stop loss if he wants to take a trading position here.
So BEL definitely a breakout candidate. After a budget, we were starting from the budget. We started seeing a high volatility and very much optimistic stock. Everyone is optimistic on this stock because of the budget also. Now, technically speaking, stock price has given a breakout from is consolidation. The consolidation already took 1.5 years of consolidation. So the chart pattern is very much promising. We have also seen stock price has not touched its 200 days moving average after April 2025, which is again a very good strength we can observe on daily price. Momentum indicator is again trying to get back into the bullish zone only. Volume slowly gradually started when prices is going up and volume is drying up when prices is coming down, which is again a clearly textbook bullish pattern. So anyone wants to go long at current market price, definitely they can go. Any dip toward 430, again a good opportunity or well identified opportunity one can go long. Keep a strict stop loss of 420. If price is not breaking below 420, you can definitely expect price target of 500. But of course, you have to give some time like 3 to 4 months. So for that horizon, you can go long with the strict stop loss of 420.
Okay. Taking the next question. This one is from Kamlesh Narkhere. He says, hi Sakshi and hello Kiran sir. KPIT Tech, what is your view sir? I have 50 shares at 642 levels. Long term के लिए मैंने buy किया था लेकिन अभी क्या profit book करके दूसरे share में switch करना बेहतर रहेगा?
See, KPI technology has given a fresh breakdown, and that breakdown is from the flag pattern also. So definitely you can book your losses or you can exit from this particular stock definitely. And to replace KPIT, we suggesting Birla Soft. No doubt, all the technology shares are trading
Yeah.
at lower end only. But within the pack, within the mid cap ID, Birla Soft looks very much promising, and this fall should be considered as an opportunity to enter into the Birla Soft. Now I'm giving my reasoning behind this. So on daily price side, you can see there is a rounding bottom pattern breakout, number one. Number two, there is a cup and handle pattern breakout. And Birlasoft is trading above its all important moving averages, which is very strong and one of the most important things. You to check all other stocks of mid cap IT, they all are trading below its at least 200 or 100 days moving average. Whereby you can see Birlasoft, which is trading above its 20, 50, 100 and 200 is going average, which is definitely a prominent reason to go long on Birlasoft at current market price. Keep a strict stop loss below 420 and you can expect price target of 480 at least for the short time. And for as an investment purpose, we are expecting 550 kind of a target on Birlasoft.
Okay. Let's take the next one then. This one is from Rishikesh. He says, Kiran sir, I want to buy Tata Steel and I want to know what can be the target for 1 year on Tata Steel, and if you could also suggest a near-term stop loss also.
See, coming to the Tata Steel, the metal rally has started since long time, and Tata Steel is performing in this rally since last again a big time. Now at this particular time, fresh investment into the metal sector, now it is a commodity or maybe a commodity driven stock, is little considered as a high risky bet, first of all. Secondly, if it is your old investment, definitely you can hold next 1 year, because see, in commodity cycle when we started, fundamentally commodities demand never goes skyrocket in short span. It is always a supply crisis which is behind the price rise. So now if prices keep rising, so as a consumer we start looking substitute also. So all investor and traders should understand to go crazily long behind the metals. So we understand we should see some consolidation for at least for 6 months or 8 months. After that again a fresh rally can start. So fresh investment in Tata Steel, we are a little bit worried or we are a little bit different, so we are not recommending. If you are holding this particular stock, hold with the strict stop loss below 200, which is the psychology support also, and short term moving averages supports are also there. On based on the open interest, again 200 looks very important support. So with the strict stop loss of 200, you go long at even current market price, or you hold your particular investment. Looking at overall chart pattern, you can definitely expect the price target of 240 or maybe 250 within 6 to 8 months.
Okay. Next we have this question from Suresh Kumar. He says, Kiran sir, I want to know about Premier Energies. Should I buy this share for an upside? Should I see, is there bottom fishing also taking place, and should I participate?
Premier Focus.
Premier Energies. Currently trading at 770, 1.2% lower, and he wants to know, should he do bottom fishing here, Premier Energies?
Yes. So you looking the Premier Energy stock overall stock price has a resistance of 700 earlier. Now it is trading at a very good level, definitely. But today's intraday correction, we are a little bit worried. So I believe if anyone is holding this particular stock, should keep a strict stop loss of at least 740 kind of. So if you are holding 740 stop loss, you can expect price target to rise somewhere around 820 or maybe beyond that. But overall chart pattern is little bit dicey. So keep a strict stop loss of 740. Then only you hold. If 740 is not breaking down, then you can expect at least price target of 840, 860, which was earlier support.
Okay, let's take the next query then. This one is from Ajay from Noida, and he wants to ask you, is it a good level to enter into PVR? We do know in the last quarter, PVR has reported very strong earnings, especially with the strong lineup of Bollywood, people coming back to the theatres, footfalls considerably improving vis-a-vis what we have seen in the last year, all the last couple of quarters as well. What's your sense on PVR?
So I don't know if you remember our discussion on PVR long back. I guess after that we met first time today.
Yes.
So PVR we started recommending at 1000 level. After that there are good movies already went out, and because of that, as you mentioned also, PVR results are very good, and because of that PVR already tested the 1200 kind of a level. From there is a small span of the breakdown or a profit booking. Now again. We all, if you are a movie lover, definitely you know that Dhurandhar is coming in March. There are few big budget movies are also lined up in this year also. So considering all those facts, definitely one can go long on PVR. Keep a strict step loss below 1000 or maybe 990 or 980. and it should be your investment call. We are not recommending for the trading, and at least hold for till Diwali. We are expecting price target of again 1200 plus, and once the price target is keep sustaining about 1200, then you can expect 1500, 1600 kind of a target also.
Okay. Taking the next one then. This one is from Lavish from Indore. He has a question on United Food brand share. He bought at 230 rupees. He needs a 6-month view on this one. United Food, let me quickly just pull up the stock share here. And it's currently trading at 262. It's United Food Brands Limited. UBFL, no, UFBL, sorry, and 262 is the current level.
So I can see that 2022 IPO came. After IPO, prices went up to 1700, and surprisingly, after that, stock price is continuously trading into the falling channel only. Yeah. And it's been almost 2 years now, from 2024 to 2026. Stock price is first time trading above its 200 days moving average. So it is the first sign that stock price may give some reversal over here and do some catch-up rally. We don't know about this stock or about this company fundamentally, so we'll not comment more. But technically speaking, stock price is trading about all important moving averages, and all important moving average is showing some bullishness for the short time. Number one, number two, the momentum indicator again into the bullish zone. So considering the fact, one can go long with the strict stop loss of 240. If 240 is not breaking down, then you can expect price target of 340, 370 in upcoming time.
Okay, fair point. I hope this has answered your question well. Taking the next query, this one is from Krishna from Hyderabad. He wants to know about Wakefit. He has 200 shares at 185 and he wants to know, should he book his profits or continue to hold on? And also the Q3 results have come out well. So short term, what is your view here? Of course, not very long term charts is what you would have here, but what's your suggestion on Wakefit?
So Wakefit overall chart pattern, if you look at the stock price is trading into the bullish zone only. After IPO, we can see the stock price first time crosses is IPO week high, which is 200. And we generally follow this. Okay, whenever the stock price is crossing its IPO high, then we can expect some good amount of rally also. So considering that same chart pattern, you can definitely hold this particular stock. One can go long with the strict stop loss of somewhere around 180. If price is not breaking below 180, no doubt percentage-wise stop loss is little bit high. But considering the current day volatility, we are suggesting 180 stop loss and hold this particular stock. Considering 1:2 kind of a risk reward ratio, you can expect price target of 300 plus in short time. So definitely you can go long on Wakefit or you can hold your investment with the strict stop loss of 180.
Okay, fair point. I hope this has answered your question. Taking the next one then, we have this query coming in from one of our viewers on our YouTube channel again, Arihant Pavpant. He says, Rolex ring, sir, how do you view this stock? I have this stock at 124 levels in my portfolio. Should I continue to hold on or can you give me a target for profit taking?
Considering the Rolex ring, the prices were trading into the downtrend channel. Now stock price is trading about some important moving averages like 100, 200, number one. Number two, on daily price chart, we can see there is a cup and handle pattern breakout is there. The prices, the momentum indicator is again trading into the bullish zone only. With volume, prices is giving a breakout and average last 2-3 days volume is greater than the average last 20 days moving average volume, which is again giving a sense of bullishness. So definitely, I believe you should hold this particular stock with the strict stop loss of 134. If price is not breaking down below 134, you can expect price target of 165 at least. So at 165, you can again join on this show and relook of the chart pattern. Otherwise, you can book your profit at 165.
Okay. Hope this has answered your query as well. Babu Rao from Ongole wants to say, good afternoon, Kiran sir. I want to enter into Bank of Maharashtra. What is the short-term target that you can suggest to him?
So again, coming to the banking stock, the stock prices are already trading at its high price, and we are expecting some sector rotation where banking will now go into the consolidation zone. FMCG, pharma can take the lead if market has a strength. Otherwise, the bank nifty or banking stock alone is not able to hold this particular entire market. Now, whenever such sector rotations happen, the small cap stocks and mid cap stocks are first started giving up their gains. So considering the fact, if you want to fresh buying Maharashtra Bank, we are referring to buy, or if you still want to buy with the strict stop loss of 60 rupees. If price is breaking below 60 rupees, then we can expect some profit booking move on Bank of Maharashtra. So you
Fair
can hold
point.
your old investment and you can go long with the strict stop loss of 60 rupees.
Okay. Taking the next one. This one is from one of our viewers, Tapan from Kolkata. He says, Namaskar Sakshi ji, Namaskar Kiran ji. मेरे पास 150 शेयर्स हैं फर्स्ट सोर्स सॉल्यूशंस के. मैं प्रॉफिट में हूँ. आई वांट टू नो, इज इट वाइज टू बुक प्रॉफिट, शिफ्ट टू सम अदर स्टॉक और कंटिन्यू टू होल्ड ऑन?
Price is trading at lower end, stock price trading below its all important moving averages, and now if stock prices keep continue trading below 270, it's a fresh breakdown of double top also, which is again a negative pattern. Overall chart pattern looks weak, so it is better you keep a strict stop loss of 270 or maybe 265. Fresh buying or accumulation is not advisable on first solution at current market price. So you hold your investment if you would like to. Otherwise, we are suggesting to exit only. And if you are
Okay.
holding this particular stock, keep a strict stop loss of 265.
All right. Okay. Towards the end, Kiran, your own choice of stocks, what would those be?
See, overall, if you look at the chart patterns and everything, as I mentioned, that banks are not supposed to be single stock or single, I can say, the sector which can hold this entire market. So we have a contra bet, as I mentioned also earlier. You can go long on auto. In auto, we are liking Bajaj Auto at current market price. So in Bajaj Auto, again, underperformed stock. Overall, auto sector has given a very good rally. So now Bajaj Auto is one of the stock we are liking. There is a multiple pattern breakout. You go long on Bajaj Auto at current market price or any dips in between 9800 to 9900. Keep a strict stop loss of 9700, and we are expecting Bajaj Auto to test somewhere around 10,000 plus kind of a target in very short time. So Bajaj Auto is one of our preferred pick. Another pick is from the PSU, that is Coal India. Stock price is trading into the red zone only. But overall, considering the chart pattern, after a long time, Coal India is trading above 400 level, again above all important moving averages. Also, and big consolidation pattern breakout is there. So Coal India is one of our favorite pick with a strict stop loss of 405. If 405 is not breaking down, then you can expect price target of 450, 460 in short time. So Coal India and Bajaj Auto are our preferred stock.
Coal India and Bajaj Auto target stop losses shared. Thank you so much, Kiran, for being with us, answering all the queries of our viewers and sharing with us these top choice of stocks as well. Good to have you with us, as always. Let's move on, viewers. In our second segment, we are going to be welcoming another guest on our program, Ruchit Jain, Vice President and Head of Equity Technical Research Wealth Management at Motilal Oswal Financial Services, joining in. Hi, Ruchit. Good afternoon to you. Tell me, how are you looking at this IT stocks-led sell-off in the markets? What are you doing with the IT stocks and the markets, both overall at this point?
Yeah, hi, very good afternoon, Sakshi. So as far as IT stocks are concerned, the trend is clear negative. It's not the first day of selling that we are witnessing. That gap down opening which we witnessed on 4th of February, post that we have not seen any kind of buying interest coming in. So it's just a continuation of the downtrend that we have recently been witnessing in most of the IT names, and that downtrend could continue in the near term. So at least at current levels, we are advising our clients to stay away from bottom fishing IT names until we get any signs of trend reversals over here. So IT is a clear avoid, but apart from IT, we are not negative on the broader markets. The overall trend for the market still seems positive. 25,000, 26,000, 26,100 is the immediate resistance, whereas 25,600 is the immediate support. So this is the range in which the markets have been trading post that gap up opening which we witnessed when the US trade deal was announced. So any kind of declines towards the 25,600. 25,650 should be used as a buying opportunity. There are many sectors which are showing a relative outperformance. We can see different sectors such as banking, NBFCs, especially PSU banks led by stocks such as SBI, which is outperforming, selective pockets from the metal space, which is doing good. So I think overall markets are good. No signs to worry about. But yes, one need to be sector specific and stock specific where outperformance is. Avoid bottom fishing in IT.
Okay, fair point. I hope this has helped you out, viewers, in getting a clear view there. Let's start taking your queries next. We have this question coming in from one of our viewers. This is, okay, we'll take some of our questions from our WhatsApp first. We have a lot of our viewers waiting by there. All right, this is from Okay, Ajay, and he wants to know about DLF. Can you please suggest to him a target and a stop loss on DLF?
So as of now, along with the markets, the real estate stocks have seen some pullback move from the lows. Similarly, DLF has also seen some pullback, but now it is trading around its 200 EMA resistance, which is 670, around 675. So 675, 676 is the immediate hurdle for the stock that needs to be surpassed for any kind of trended up move. If that is surpassed, then you can expect up move towards 700. On the flip side, the immediate support is around 637. So if you have any existing positions, you can keep a stop loss somewhere below 635 on your position.
Okay, let's take the next question. This one is from Manoj Pai. Wants to know about Balu Forge. क्या currently इसे buy करने की सलाह रहेगी?
पुलबैक मूव है, बट इतने ज्यादा वॉल्यूम बेस्ड पुलबैक मूव नहीं है. सो मैं कहूंगा कि फ्रेश बाइंग की तो सलाह नहीं है यहाँ पे. आपके पास अगर एग्जिस्टिंग पोजिशन है तो पुलबैक मूव एक्सटेंड हो सकता है 540 535 के रेंज तक. बट 540 तक के मूव के वो प्ले करने के लिए रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो फ्रेश बाइंग के लिए इतना ज्यादा फेवरेबल नहीं है.
Okay, I hope this has answered your question too. Next, we have this question from Sumant from Hyderabad, and he wants to know on Keynes Technologies. Is a fresh entry advised at this point in time on Keynes Tech?
So I think here also pullback move has come, but the stock is trading around its 50 EMA resistance, and the overall trend has not turned positive yet in spite of the recent pullback. So I think better to keep it on your watch list, but not a buy at current levels.
Okay. Next, we have Raghunath from Chennai writing in that I have been holding KCP shares in my portfolio at 202 rupees. Also, I have Balmer Lorry at 210 average level. My question is, I'm having losses right now. Should I then accumulate these stocks further, or any other stocks should I switch my funds to? KCP Limited bought at 202, currently at 182 levels, even though today it's up by 1%. Balmer Lorry, he bought at 210.
KCP Limited can see pullback towards 190, 195 range, where the 200 EMA resistance will come out. Around those levels, you can look to exit from the stock. Similarly, in Balmer Lorry also, the overall trend is not that positive. Any kind of pullback moves towards 190, 195, same range where the 200 EMA is there for even for this stock, should be used as an exit opportunity. So sell on rise, I think, can be the strategy for both these names.
Okay, fair point. Taking the next one then, we have this question from Swati. She says, I'm a big fan of Ruchit sir. Sir, I want to know from you, Quality Power at 789 is what I have bought. Can you suggest a target and a stop loss for this, and what time horizon should I keep?
Yeah, thank you very much, Swati. Well, over the correction, price correction we initially saw since the month of September, where the stock corrected from 1070 to 600. But as of now, the trend for the stock has turned from down to sideways. Last 1.5 to 2 months, we've seen the that 650 range acting as a support, but the stock has not yet surpassed the immediate resistance of 740. So once the stock surpasses 740, then you can expect levels around 850 where profit booking can be done. Whereas near-term support is around 715, 720 kind of range. So keep a stop loss below 715 on your existing portions. Look for a follow-up move maybe next 1 week or so. If the stock manages to surpass 860 hurdle, then you can wait for a move towards 950, 960 to exit the position.
ओके गॉट दैट. आगे बढ़ते हैं और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. कौशिक राणा है, लिखते हैं गुड आफ्टरनून टू यू साक्षी एंड रुचित सर. आई वांट टू नो अबाउट टाटा मोटर्स पैसेंजर व्हीकल्स. आई हैव शेयर्स एट 690 लेवल्स इन माय पोर्टफोलियो. व्हाट इज द आउटलुक ऑन दिस वन?
So it is passenger vehicles, right?
Yeah, so 690 bought at passenger vehicles, Tata Motors.
No, because current market price for passenger vehicles is 383, so maybe
I think he must have bought before the split happened,
Yeah,
no?
before
So
the
that,
deal, right?
yeah.
Yes, I think now should continue to hold on as of now. Recently, the stock has formed a good support base around 340. Until that 340 is intact, you can expect pullback move again towards 410, 420 kind of levels. At those levels, you can take a review again whether you should exit or not.
ओके, नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्वेश्चन आया है एक और हमारे व्यूअर का, और ये व्हाट्सएप के ज़रिए हमें लगातार क्वेश्चंस भेज रहे हैं। अर्पण है कोलकाता से, ये आपसे एलएनटी के बारे में पूछना चाहते हैं। व्हाट इज़ योर करंट थॉट अबाउट इट एंड व्हाट इज़ द प्रोबेबल टारगेट इन शॉर्ट टू मीडियम टर्म दैट ही कैन एक्सपेक्ट ऑन एलएनटी?
So trend for the stock is positive. No, off late the stock has no surpassed its immediate resistance is the 4,000. So on any kind of dips now 4,039.50, where even the recent gap areas that would become a support for the stock. And if the momentum continues as per the retracements of the recent correction, then 4,500, 4,480 could be expected going ahead. So older positions
Okay.
for potential targets around 4,480.
Okay, we have the next question. This one is from Sai from Hyderabad. Says, "Hi everyone. Hi Sai, good to have you with us." He says, "I want to buy cement stocks. Which ones are the best ones to look at the current levels?"
Leadership is clearly coming from the large cap space such as Upcutting and Graphene. So these are two stocks which technically also overall structures looks quite bullish post the recent correction. Graphene has gone through a decent consolidation phase and a breakout has been seen from that consolidation. And even Ultratech Cement, the volumes have started increasing gradually. So I think as of now, if you want to go with the cement space, go with the large cap space itself. When we see a good trended phase across the stocks, then you can switch to look for some mid or small cap names. But Ultratech Glass Team, I think, should be the one where you can take fresh bets at current levels.
नेक्स्ट हमारे पास सत्यन का क्वेश्चन आया है, लिखते हैं, एवरीबडी विशिंग ऑल ऑफ यू अ गुड डे टू यू एज वेल सत्यन. ही सेज, आई एम होल्डिंग सायंट एट 1160 levels. Please advise a strategy here and what is the level that I should be watching out for. I am an investor up to from 6 months to 12 months is his horizon. So IT stocks have taken a beating, we all know. What is the horizon that you would advise and what's the strategy here? Bought at 1160.
There are two things negative for the stock. One is, as you said, that IT is showing underperformance. And secondly, when recently we witnessed a pullback move in the IT names before all this correction started in last 1 week. At that time also, Sign was not one of the market performer. Right, in spite of a move in many of the large caps and the mid cap IT names, Sign had witnessed a relative underperformance, and we have not seen any kind of price strength coming in. So when the sector is going up, if the stock is underperforming, that's usually a not good sign. And now when the entire sector has turned negative, so definitely you cannot expect any kind of outperformance coming in for the stock. So my advice would be to take an exit from Scient until things change for IT as a whole.
Okay, next we have Namish writing in and he says, I'm a big fan of Ruchit sir. Sir, can you please advise me between BSE and CDSL, where should I enter afresh?
So I think if you look at the relative outperformance, definitely BSE has shown more strength compared to your last few months. That uptrend is likely to continue going ahead. I think one more segment within the capital market theme itself, if you want to look for, should be AMC stocks. Nifty Capital Market Index itself is looking good, and apart from exchange and depository, even AMCs are a part of capital market index. So stocks such as Nippon AMC or Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, that's where in the short to medium term we expect a good up move in the prices, and there could be some relative outperformance. So if you want to take a choice only between BSE and CDSL, then based on the price strength, it should be BSE. BSE should be preferred, but overall, if you want to take fresh exposure towards the sector, then do look at AMC stocks such as Nippon, HDFC AMC, and ABSL AMC.
Okay, Sahil from Bangalore asks you, Ruchit, in any FNO positions right now that you can advise him to take fresh?
For fresh buying in FNO positions, if you look at the sectoral outperformers, then I think Auto is one space where overall looking bullish. So we can expect a gradual up move in the auto names, and especially within the auto names, the two-wheeler space is doing well. So TVS Motor within the two-wheeler stocks looks good at current levels. The stock is coming out of a consolidation phase which we have recently witnessed. So TVS Motor, I think, but it's one stock which comes to my mind from the FNO space, which one can look taking new exposure.
Okay, let's take the next question. This one is from Deepak Patel. He says, sir, please suggest me on Vimta Lab. What is your outlook, Vimta Labs?
So Vinta Labs has seen a downtrend over last few months. The stock breached its important 200 EMA support, which was around 600 in the month of January, the starting January itself. So clearly, overall trend is not positive. Along with the market, if we see any kind of pullback moves, initial resistance is around 535, followed by 570. So 535, 570 is the resistance zone, and in case if you see such opportunities to exit in that zone, you should take an exit.
Okay, fair point. I hope this has answered your question. Next, we have this question coming in from one of our other viewers, Ashu Papan. He says, Sir, FIEM Industries, FIEM, FIEM Industries क्यों गिर रहा है रिजल्ट्स के बाद? रिजल्ट्स तो पॉजिटिव लग रहे हैं और क्या यहाँ पर एक मंथली ब्रेकआउट आने की उम्मीद है? मैंने ऑलरेडी ये बाय किया हुआ है 2500 के लेवल से. यहाँ पर टारगेट और स्टॉप लॉस क्या रखूँ?
बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जब इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ रिजल्ट जब आते हैं, रिजल्ट अच्छे हो या खराब हो, अगर स्टॉक प्राइस में रिजल्ट्स के पहले ही या कोई भी इवेंट के पहले ही मूव आ चुका होता है तो वो इवेंट के बाद वहाँ पे प्रॉफिट बुकिंग या अनवाइंडिंग पोजीशंस की अनवाइंडिंग होती है. अब आप फीएम में भी देखेंगे तो लगभग 2040 के आसपास जनवरी एंड में 30 जनवरी को लो था. सो आई थिंक 10 दिन में ही 2040 वाला 2550 का एक अपमूव बिफोर नंबर्स, मे बी एंटिसिपेशन ऑफ गुड नंबर्स के उसमें आ चुका था. So this could be just a regular profit booking after the event outcome. On the lower side 20 to 50 के आसपास अभी immediate support है, 2250-2300 की रेंज में सपोर्ट है स्टॉक को. ब्रॉडर ट्रेंड अगर मैं देखूँ तो वीकली मंथली पॉजिटिव है, बट शॉर्ट टर्म आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ द इवेंट थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हो रह सकता है.
Okay, fair point. I hope this has answered your question. Taking the next one, this one is Avadish Ojha from Delhi. He says, Ruchit sir, can you kindly advise me on buying any fresh chemicals, specialty chemical stocks for long-term investment?
So within the chemical space, I think Navin Fluoro is one stock which is looking good from a bit mid to long term perspective.
Results were also good, yeah.
Yeah, Navin Fluoro it has shown a good outperformance, compared to other chemical stocks. So this is a gradual move in the expected going ahead. So Navin Fluoro, we can take some exposure. SRF can be on your watch list. The stock has gone through some consolidation phase overall. But in this entire consolidation of 2650 to 3050 has been pretty range for the stock. So if you get any dips towards the lower end of the range, maybe from 2650 to 2700 range, then the risk reward ratio could become favorable to take fresh longs over there. So Navin Fluorine and SRF on dips, these are two names which looks good to me.
Okay, fair point. I hope this has answered your question. Jatin Dave wants to know about Ashapura Mindchem. He has 694 at the price of 694. He has about 500 shares in his portfolio. Next 3 months, he needs a target and stop loss for Ashapura Mindchem. Today, the stock is down 5%.
So the stock, in fact, has breached its 200 DMA, which is not a good sign. 590 is the immediate previous swing, was the previous swing high and a swing low support. So if the stock closes below 590, then we could see further price rise move in the stock. And on the high side, the resistance is around the 20-day MA, which is 700, I think, yes, sorry, 680 kind of levels, which is the resistance zone. So trend for the short term does not look that positive. I believe if 590 is reached on closing today, then you should look to trim your exposure.
Okay, fair point. I hope this has also answered your question. Any other key stocks, Ruchit, that have come afresh onto your radar that you may be seeing positive outlook on the charts right now? Any suggestion?
So AMC, as I spoke, is one of the segments which looks good to me. SDFC, AMC, Aditya Birla, Nippon, these are certain, is one theme which we can expect an uptrend going ahead. So for fresh buying, I think one can look at these names.
Okay, got that. I hope this has answered your question well. All right, viewers, we've come to the end of our show today. Thank you so much, Ruchit, for being with us on the show and guiding all our viewers there. The markets have tad improved from the day's lowest point yet again. We are holding still about 110 points lower, but inching again closer to 25,850 odd mark. So the entire choppiness that we saw, we also dipped lower to almost 828.30 odd levels, 25,830 odd levels, and therefore you've seen now a pickup happen. Let's see whether we finally see in the second half some buying action continue to emerge, and several pockets that are reeling under some pressure might also see some buying at the lower levels as well. But we'll keep you posted with the market updates. Stay tuned with us. Market coverage will continue on the other side. I'll of course see you at the closing edition at 3 p.m. now.